Welcome back. Summer underway. Retailers already pushing back to school sales, and tariffs are having an impact on how families are spending for their students. Courtney Reagan joins us. She has that story. Courtney.
Hi, David. So this week's retail discount events are expected to spur some back-to-school spending. And while these sale events have sort of been this back-to-school catalyst for about a decade now, tariffs are playing a hand in the details this year, according to Deloitte. Now, almost half of parents of children in grades K through 12 plan to shop during Amazon Prime Day sales for back-to-school items, which is about on par with last year. Overall, for back-to-school spending, the consultancy group's annual survey shows that parents expect to spend also about what they did last year, $570 or $16 less than 2024. But how do higher prices this year compared to last year then play into that projection? So Deloitte's Brian McCarthy notes the survey doesn't adjust for inflation. So if you adjust using the all-item CPI rate of 2.4%, it would mean parents plan to spend $29 less than last year, or 5%. Even with those higher prices. So what's more interesting is that average $570 in projected spend comes from the income cohorts spending in opposite directions, but maybe opposite of what you might think. It certainly surprised me because lower income families plan to spend more, but because of high prices, while high income families expect to actually pull back because of economic concerns. Now, just over half of all the parents say they are concerned about higher prices this year for back-to-school items, which is impacting how they will shop. So what will they do? Well, 7 in 10 parents say that they are willing to wait longer for delivery if it saves them on shipping costs. And 3/4 say they'll pick a different brand altogether if their preferred brand is too expensive. That's much higher than answered that last year. Overall, spending is expected to skew towards essentials, trading down on brands and retailers, and just generally spreading out purchases over time. Carl?
Court, it's a complicated time right now for consumer psychology.
Yeah.
That's a good explainer. Courtney Reagan, thanks.